Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a forward focus headrest. First, ensure your seat back is in an upright position. This provides the best angle for access. Next, look at the base of the headrest posts where they enter the seat. You will see two plastic collars. Each collar has a small, often recessed button. These buttons are crucial for releasing the headrest mechanism. Pressing them correctly is the key to a smooth removal process. Now let's release the headrest. With one hand, firmly press the release button located on the left headrest post collar. While holding this button down, use your other hand to gently pull the headrest upwards. You should feel it disengage slightly. Repeat this exact process for the button on the right headrest post. This two-step method ensures both locking mechanisms are properly released, allowing the headrest to move freely. After successfully pressing both release buttons and feeling the headrest loosen, you can now pull it straight up and out of the seat. It should slide freely from its guides. Be careful not to force it, as proper release means it will come out with minimal effort. Once removed, store your headrest in a safe place, perhaps in the trunk or a closet, to prevent any damage or misplacement. To reinstall your headrest, simply align the two metal posts with the guide holes in the top of the seat. Push the headrest firmly downwards until you hear and feel it click securely into place. Give it a gentle tug upwards to ensure it's locked. This confirms it's properly seated and safe for use. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, whether you're on the road or at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.